Hello, I would like to show you how to open a compass because Apple does not have a compass on the iPads anymore. And instead of downloading an app that will try to sell us things and take up space on your iPads, another option is to go and do a search for maps. And you'll choose Apple Maps. And right up here is your avenue to get open up your compass. If you don't see the compass right here, if you simply click here a few times, it'll end up popping up down there. So again, it's this arrow right here. We'll open up this, and as I move around the room, you will definitely see that is a very nice, precise working compass. So it's a little bit small, but it does seem to work quite well. I hope that helps.